5 ways AI
is shaping our Christmas shopping experiences.
Merry Christmas, Merry should it treat me nice.
5 ways AI is shaping your Christmas shopping.
Today, we're discussing how artificial intelligence, AI, is shaping our Christmas shopping experiences. AI is revolutionizing the way we find the perfect gifts. With personalized recommendations and virtual try-on technologies, AI is also streamlining inventory management for retailers and providing 24/7 customer support. It's really fascinating stuff.
One of the key points in the article is about personalized recommendations. AI algorithms are now able to understand our preferences better than we do ourselves. They analyze our browsing habits and purchase history to suggest products that are tailor-made for us. This not only makes our shopping experience more efficient, but also leads to increased customer satisfaction for e-commerce platforms like Amazon and eBay.
Another interesting aspect is virtual try-on technologies. With augmented reality, AR, we can now try on clothes, furniture, and even makeup virtually. This eliminates the need to physically go to a store and gives us a more immersive and realistic shopping experience. Companies like IKEA and Sephora are already using this technology to enhance their customers' shopping journeys.
It's like having a fitting room or a showroom right at your fingertips, Avery. And speaking of retailers, AI is also playing a crucial role in inventory management. By using predictive analytics, AI can accurately forecast customer demand and ensure that stores are well stocked with the products we want during the Christmas rush. This not only saves retailers money by avoiding overstocking or understocking, but also provides a more reliable shopping experience for us as consumers.
Let's not forget about AI-powered customer support. Chatbots and virtual assistants are now available 24/7 to provide instant assistance with our shopping queries. This reduces wait times and offers personalized support by recalling our previous interactions and preferences. It's like having a personal shopping assistant always there to help us during the busy holiday season.
AI is really transforming the way we shop and making the experience more efficient, enjoyable, and personalized. And it's not just about the present. The article also mentions the future of Christmas shopping with AI. We could see hyper-personalized gift suggestions based on predictive emotional analysis and AI-driven sustainability models that guide our shopping choices based on environmental impact assessments.
It's really exciting to think about what the future holds, Paul. AI has already made a significant impact on our Christmas shopping experiences, and it will continue to do so in the years to come. It's reshaping our festive traditions for the better.
AI is like a modern-day Santa's workshop, making our gift hunting journeys more delightful and efficient. It's important to note that while AI brings many benefits, we should also be mindful of privacy and digital intrusion. As long as AI is used wisely, responsibly, and transparently, it can truly enhance our festive season.
We should always be aware of how AI discerns our preferences and what data it uses. It's essential to understand the mechanics behind it and make informed choices about how we use technology in our shopping experiences.
Well, that's all the main points from the article. It was really interesting to dive into how AI is shaping our Christmas shopping experiences.
Click now for more holiday AI dope videos we're sure you'll like. Thanks.
Merry Christmas.